Walk into your home for a second and pay attention to the first feeling you get. Does it feel calm and well put together, or slightly off, even if you can't quite explain why? Most spaces don't feel wrong because of bad furniture. They feel off because the lighting doesn't match and the proportions are slightly off, so everything feels unbalanced. So in this video, we're going to fix that, one detail at a time, so you can see how these simple changes can completely transform how your space looks and feels. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. Design check number 1, curtain length. To start, this is something you notice right away, and even if you don't consciously think about it, it immediately affects how tall or short your entire space feels. It quietly sets the vertical feel of the entire room, which is why one of the first things designers notice is your curtain height. And this is where a lot of spaces instantly feel off. The curtains stop above the floor or sit only within the window frame, and because of this, the wall height is visually cut off, making the space feel shorter and less finished. But once the curtains are extended from near the ceiling down to just touching the floor, everything starts to feel more complete. This creates a full vertical line that visually elongates the wall, making the space feel taller, softer, and more cohesive. So instead of keeping them within the window frame, you can use full-length layered curtains installed higher than the window to achieve this effect. And just like that, the space instantly feels more refined and professionally designed. And this is exactly what designers look for. Design check number 2, lighting tone. Now, moving from height to atmosphere, this is another detail that stands out immediately, and it can completely change how your space feels the moment you walk in. It controls the mood before you even notice the furniture, which is why your lighting color plays a huge role in how your space feels. And this is where inconsistency becomes very noticeable. The space uses mixed lighting tones, with cooler white light dominating the ceiling while warmer elements are present elsewhere. Because of this, the room feels slightly harsh and visually disconnected, even if the design itself is good. But once the lighting is unified into a warm tone, everything starts to feel more cohesive. The ceiling cove lighting, pendant light, and accent lights now work together, creating a soft, warm glow across the entire space. So instead of mixing different color temperatures, you can use a warm white LED strip for the ceiling and wall niches, a warm bulb for the rattan pendant light, and drum shade floor lamp. So every light source matches and works together. And because everything now feels visually connected, the space instantly looks more intentional and professionally designed, and this is where the space starts to feel cohesive. Design check number 3, furniture scale. After setting the mood, the next thing designers read is proportion, and this is where it becomes very noticeable, since even small differences in size can make the entire space feel either complete or slightly off. It determines whether the space feels full or awkwardly empty, which is why designers immediately look at the size of your furniture. And this is where balance becomes very obvious. The sofa is too small for the wall, leaving too much empty space around it. Because of this, the area feels underfurnished and visually incomplete, even though all the elements are already there. But once the sofa is scaled properly to fit the wall, the entire space starts to feel more grounded. The longer sofa fills the area better, creating a stronger visual anchor while still maintaining enough space for movement. So instead of choosing something that feels undersized, you can go for a wooden frame sofa that matches the width of your wall and seating area. And just like that, the layout feels more balanced, intentional, and professionally arranged. And this is what makes the space feel complete. Design check number 4, wall spacing clearances. Once your furniture is properly scaled, the next layer is spacing, and while this is a subtle detail, it changes everything, especially in how your space feels when you move through it. It affects how open and breathable your layout feels, which is why designers pay close attention to how your furniture is positioned against the walls. And this is where spacing makes a subtle but powerful difference. The sofa is pushed too tightly against the wall, making the layout feel compressed and slightly restricted. Because of this, the space loses depth and doesn't feel as breathable or comfortable. But once a small gap is introduced, the layout instantly starts to feel more relaxed and intentional. The sofa is slightly pulled away from the wall, creating a cleaner separation that adds depth without wasting space. So instead of pushing everything all the way back, you can leave a 5 to 10 centimeter gap between your sofa and the wall to achieve this effect. And just like that, the space feels more balanced, breathable, and professionally arranged. And this is what gives the layout breathing room. Design check number 5, art size. From spacing, the eye naturally moves upward, and this is where visual balance really shows, making it one of the easiest ways to tell if a space feels properly designed or not. It decides whether your wall feels complete or unfinished, which is why designers always check your wall art. And this is where proportion becomes very noticeable. The artwork is too small for the wall, leaving too much empty space around it. Because of this, the wall feels unfinished and lacks a strong focal point, even if the piece itself looks good. But once the artwork is scaled properly, the entire wall starts to feel more complete and intentional. The larger piece now fills the space better, creating a strong visual anchor that connects with the sofa below. So instead of choosing something undersized, you can go for artwork that's around 60% of the width of your wall or furniture. And just like that, the wall feels more balanced, cohesive, and professionally styled. And this is what completes the wall visually. Design check number 6, rug proportion. Finally, once everything is in place, this is where it all comes together, and it plays a big role in whether your layout feels connected or scattered. It connects all your furniture into one clear composition, which is why your rug size can instantly affect how your space looks. And this is where many layouts start to feel disconnected. The rug is too small for the seating area, sitting only under the coffee table. Because of this, the furniture feels visually separated, as if each piece is floating on its own instead of forming one cohesive layout. But once the rug is scaled properly, the entire seating area starts to feel more unified. The larger rug now extends under the front legs of the sofa and nearby furniture, visually connecting everything into one defined zone. So instead of choosing a rug that only fits the center, you can go for a larger area rug that anchors your furniture properly. And just like that, the space feels more grounded, cohesive, and professionally styled. And this is what ties the entire space together. And once you apply all of these, the difference becomes clear. Now imagine your space again. Everything feels balanced, connected, and intentional. Nothing feels off anymore because every detail is working together the way it should. And that's what designers notice immediately. It's not about having more. It's about getting the details right. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.